What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the Mercedes AMG F1 11 EQ Performance, and this specific and exact car was driven by Lewis Hamilton, our 7 times world champion, during the Barcelona preseason testing in 2020. So this car is about, it's about 3 years old, but guys, this is the first F1 car in my collection. And what I mean by my first F1 car, obviously if you guys have seen my channel for long enough, you guys know I have a bunch of Formula 1s in my collection, but an actual F1 car, the current gen F1 cars, I think this was the previous gen, this is the first I have. I've got a few on order as well, they're gonna come in very soon, but from Tarmac Works, this is the first that I have in my collection. I'm super pumped to finally have this and to do a quick video for you guys. So let's talk about the box first. Obviously it came with a plastic seal, right? But I removed it because I did a photo shoot with a diorama the other day, so I had to remove it out. And I actually saw the car and everything about it is just amazing, and that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today. Now let's begin with the box before we get into the car. So box wise, it's a very nice box, it's a sturdy box. Obviously we've got Tarmac written right there, IXO models written right here, and I assume they kind of worked with Tarmac to get this model out. We've got a bunch of caution labels here. We've got a authenticity sticker right here, you guys can see that. Obviously it's a 1/64 scale right there. Number 44, Lewis Hamilton's number right there. Tarmac Works, as usual, it's the same for every Tarmac box. Now we are not going to waste any time, we're going to dive right straight into the vehicle because I'm super excited to show you guys this, and I have some opinions about this. That's what I have to say. There are certain things I want to talk to you about regarding this specific amazing vehicle. Obviously when you remove it out of the box, it does come in this amazing protector piece, because this car is fragile as it gets, guys. And I'm gonna ever so gently remove the car out of here, and right off the bat, the car is very light. That's one thing I want to say. The car just feels very light. I always assumed, or I was hoping that the car would feel a bit heavier, because that way it will look that much nicer. I think that would have been amazing if the car had a bit more weight to it, but it doesn't, which I would say it's kind of sort of disappointing, I guess. I think it doesn't have the weight to it, which is a bummer. Anyways, obviously we've got your Pirelli P0, your soft compound tires right there in the amazing yellow line. We've got IWC written right there. We've got Petronas, obviously Petronas is its main sponsor, the Petronas logo right there. You see the thing? This is antenna right there that I just ever so slightly touched, and it's about to break. So you gotta be very careful about that, guys. I almost broke the antenna off. Obviously we've got the livery, the iconic Mercedes livery right here. The wheels did spin perfectly well, that's not an issue. Obviously we've got Epson written right there. Ineos, they are sponsored the rear of the wing. Very amazing. I mean, the details on these are done amazingly well, I must say. I think the details are very nice. It's just that the quality of it does not feel as good as I was hoping it to be. Obviously we've got a cockpit. It's an empty cockpit. It would have been amazing if they had like a Lewis Hamilton figurine inside, just kind of like poking out. That would have been cool. Obviously we've got the side mirrors right here. Those are not sturdy at all, guys. You gotta be very careful with that. Obviously this antenna right here, it's almost coming off. I don't know if you guys can see, but the antenna is almost breaking up, so you gotta be very careful about that. And then obviously you've got all the other bits and pieces of this brilliant car. And the front wing in this, I don't know if you guys can see, but the wing looks amazing. I love this bit here. It looks amazing. Obviously we've got the Mercedes logo right there, Petronas logo, and around this is the what logo is that? I don't know, man. I've kind of forgot the name. Like, it's in the tip of my tongue, but I kind of forgot. Obviously we've got a logo right there, and then all the amazing aero ducts right there. Ineos written at the sides right here, if you guys can see. It's a brilliant car. I'm super excited to have this in my collection, regardless of the fact that I told you I don't like the fact that it feels very light and stuff. I'm going to keep this in my collection. I might even get a couple more to kind of pair up, because if you guys know me, I love my F1 cars, man. I love these cars. Obviously the base, nothing much. It's a very plain base. I'm not going to complain. Like I was saying, I love my Formula 1 because I'm a huge Formula 1 fan, and so I think this is an amazing add to my collection. what we're gonna do is we're gonna go do a few rolling shots now, and I'll see you at the end. And just I guess you come to the end of the video, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I had an amazing time unboxing this car. It is gonna go insanely well in my collection. I'm super pumped to have this. I know this video was rather short. I've not been feeling well recently, so like I said, I've not been able to create a lot more videos than usual. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this amazing casting from Tarmac Works. Obviously, it's not the best, I would say, still in my opinion, but I'm still super pumped to have this in my collection. Now what I'm going to do is, I actually got this diorama from my buddy Ziggie's Collectibles, so massive shout out to him. I'm going to put his link in the description below. Go check him out, guys. The dioramas that he's selling are brilliant. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this F1 car right here, right just like that. You know what? I'm just going to try to just put it at an angle. Let me try to see. There you go. I'm just going to leave the car right there, just like that. And the reason is because this car is bigger than most of my normal Hot Wheels cars, so they're not going to fit anywhere. Plus, this car is kind of fragile, especially with the front bit. The antenna, you guys can see the antenna is kind of already bending. So it's kind of fragile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it here. Until I can find it a better place. But honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, I think this looks brilliantly amazing. I'm super pumped to have this. Just in case, just once again, guys, if you want to get this diorama piece, go check out the description, the link in the description below from my buddy Ziggie's Collectibles. He sells amazing dioramas, guys, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. But just so that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.